This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to edit the subject line in Constant Contact. Editing the subject line of your emails is crucial for grabbing the attention of your recipients and improving open rates. Whether you're crafting a new message or updating an existing one, it's important to know how to make these edits efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to constantcontact.com. This is the starting point for all your email campaigns. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. The dashboard is where you manage all your email marketing efforts, and it's designed to be user friendly, making it simple to navigate through your different campaigns. Now that you're in, head over to the top left corner of the page and click on the Create button. This is where you begin the process of crafting a new email. The Create button is usually highlighted, so it's easy to spot. Clicking it will present you with several options for different types of content you can create. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on emails. Next, from the list of options, select Send an Email. This will guide you to the email creation interface. Constant Contact offers a variety of templates to choose from, but you can also start from scratch if you prefer. The choice is yours depending on how much customization you need for your email. Once you're in the email editor, it's time to focus on the subject line. The subject line is like the headline of a newspaper article. It's the first thing your recipients will see, and it's a key factor in whether they'll open your email. Look for the field labeled subject or subject line. Click into this field to start editing. Be sure to craft a subject line that's both engaging and relevant to the content of your email. A good tip is to keep it concise and to the point. Typically, subject lines under 50 characters perform best. After you've made your edits and are satisfied with the subject line, it's time to finalize your email. Double check your content to make sure everything is in place and that there are no typos or errors. A polished email reflects well on your brand and helps maintain your professional image. The final step is to click Send Now. This action will queue your email for sending, delivering it to your audience promptly. If you're not ready to send immediately, you can also schedule it for a later time, which can be particularly useful for targeting specific time zones or optimizing for the best open rates. And there you have it. You now know how to edit the subject line in Constant Contact, ensuring your emails are as effective and engaging as possible. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.